If you're an entrepreneur or a leader, you already know the part that no one warned you about in advance. Entrepreneurship and success can be a very lonely place most of the time.
You're making big decisions, you're carrying pressure, you're trying to stay confident while everything moves underneath you. And you're doing it mostly alone.
That's why we built Success HQ on one belief. Success is a team sport. You go further, faster when you've got the right people around you.
So in the next few minutes, we'll show you what HQ is, why it matters right now, how it works, what you'll get at each level, and how you join.
Success HQ is an online community on Skool for entrepreneurs and leaders who want to grow faster, think bigger, and get bold results, with a room of like-minded change makers and experts.
And we're not just creating a community. Community is massively important, but we're also creating something even bigger. Your future partners. People you'll collaborate with, refer to, build with, and grow with.
Inside HQ, you get a real community and group chat, live online trainings, courses you can work through at your own pace, coaching and accountability on the paid tiers, and a daily PowerUp, this is my favourite bit, to keep you moving every day.
Because the goal isn't to give you more information. The goal is to give you a system for progress. Let's talk about why this matters right now. Things are moving so fast. Marketing, AI, the markets, what customers expect, what competitors can do, how quickly strategies get outdated. If you're trying to keep up alone, it's exhausting.
And there's another trap. People end up constantly paying for the next thing. A $2,000 course here, a $2,000 coaching program there, then a new AI tool, then another workshop. And you're thinking, surely the next one is going to be the one.
But here's the problem. Most of these things aren't designed to be your home base. They're designed to be the one-time hit. Success HQ is different. Your membership includes training, courses and coaching, support that will be updated and will change as the world around us changes. So instead of chasing the next shiny thing, you build a system inside a room that evolves with you.
Because the pace isn't slowing down and the people who win aren't the ones with the best ideas, they're the ones who execute consistently. Ugh, that word consistent. This is for you if you're done doing success alone. You want a team around you and people who raise your standards. You want consistent progress without needing constant motivation. You want frameworks you can implement immediately. You want bold results in business and life.
And if that's not for you, if you want to collect ideas but never implement, you want to lurk and stay invisible forever, you want to self-promote without contributing, because HQ is built for doers.
I'm Jenny Jarvis, Matt's wife. I've worked with hundreds of clients over the last 5 years, helping them embrace change, improve their relationships, and live their best life. I spent my 20s and 30s staying in jobs I hated, relationships that were just no good for me, and avoiding change at any cost. And the cost was high. Years of not doing what I wanted for fear of change. Years later, I'm now known as the Queen of the Pivot, and I never thought I'd be saying that. Living a life of constant anxiety led to ill health, both mental and physical. My question was always, how can I change my circumstance to be better? People often thought I was a little bit mad because I would deep dive into finding ways to get well. So many rabbit holes and so many different things. Each time a challenge came up, I would find an answer that worked for me, and I then did the training so I can bring those things to you too. Using tools like coaching, NLP, and family constellation therapy, I help my clients embrace change and create the life and business that works for them, not against them.
I'm Matt Clutterham. I'm the strategist here, the problem solver and the solutions guy. I started out as a designer in theatre and live events before I became a brand strategist. And over the last 25 years, I helped some of the biggest brands on the planet connect better with people. People like Samsung, Bacardi, EE, Sony, GQ magazine, and so many more, because it's a person who will buy from you, who will work hard from you, and eventually invest in you. And now I specialise in helping brands of all shapes and sizes achieve growth and success in a busy, noisy world. And essentially make more money along the way. I'm also really keen on business and personal development. I've seen firsthand how mindset shapes everything from finances to relationships, and together with Jenny and our team of experts, I can't wait to help you, our amazing community, to be more, achieve more and do more together, because you absolutely can have the business and life you've always dreamed of with the right guidance and with the right team of people around you. And here's one of the most important points about HQ. We don't just teach ideas. We help you build the habits, the systems, and the accountability so you can actually follow through.
Because ideas are 10 a penny these days, you can jump on AI and get a million ideas in seconds. Success does not live in ideas anymore. Success lives in execution, systems, and accountability.
HQ runs on a simple system we call the HQ Power Plan. 1. Daily power-ups, a daily message prompt to keep focus and momentum. 2. The Wednesday sessions, predictable live sessions every month. 3. Implementation and accountability. We make sure learning turns into action. 4. Standards and team. You grow faster because the room expects you to grow.
Everything we do runs Wednesday at 5 p.m. London time to work across the UK, Europe, and the US. The second Wednesday is an all-level live training for everyone. The third Wednesday is accountability and problem solving, and this is for the paid tiers. The fourth Wednesday, again, is for the paid tier, and it's a guest expert. And for people who want the highest level room,
the first Wednesday is the Inner Circle Roundtable for our VIP Inner Circle members only.
This matters because you don't have to figure out, when will I work on my business, my leadership, my life? It's built in, it's scheduled, it happens.
Now let's make choosing simple. There are 3 levels. Level 1 is free. You get the community, the group chat, monthly all-level live training, limited courses, and the daily power-up message. It's the perfect way to get in the room and build momentum. Try us out.
Premium is HQ PowerUp. It costs just $9 to $7 a month. You get everything in free, plus you get replays so you never have to fall behind. You get access to most of the courses, and you get the monthly accountability and problem solvers. And this is where the big stuff happens. They're great sessions, the group gets together and we all have conversations. You get a monthly guest expert with training and Q&A. You also get 20% off QBranch live events and the shop. This is the execution tier where progress becomes consistent.
And VIP is our Inner Circle. For an investment of just $759 a month, everything in PowerUp, plus VIP roundtable sessions every month, a 90-minute one-to-one coaching session monthly with us, and a free ticket to our annual 5-day Inner Circle PowerUp retreat.
Hi, I highly recommend HQ. Jenny and Matt are really nice people and they really do listen and care about your business. They don't work from the basis that one size fits all. They tailor things for your business. And my business is a handmade business, which is very different from other businesses. And they've been able to help me. They've helped me find out who my ideal customer is, how to reach my ideal customer, which has given me clarity in the message that I put out to my customers. They help you reach your goals, or fruits as they call it. And they also help you do it in a very sustainable way, which has really helped me, and it's a great community to be part of.
I spend a lot of my time working from my home office. Now that sounds productive, and sometimes it is, but let's be honest, it can also feel like shouting big ideas at a wall that's already judging you. That's why Success HQ has made such a difference for me. Getting in a room with smart, driven people who actually want to grow changes everything. It sharpens your thinking, it raises your standards, and it reminds you that you're not doing this on your own. The training sessions are practical, not fluffy. The accountability is real, not performative. And the combination of Matt and Jenny makes it almost impossible not to get better results. You show up, you learn, you take action, and then you come back sharper next time. It really is like a Swiss Army knife of groups. Everything you need, nothing you don't, all packed with purpose. I'm genuinely proud to be part of the community. Success HQ isn't just a group, it's a place where momentum lives. And honestly, building success as a team turns out to be a lot more effective and a lot more fun than trying to do it alone. If you're in, you'll get it.
Let me tell you a quick story that shows what HQ actually does. Someone came into a live session and said, I've got so many ideas, I've even got tools and AI giving me even more ideas, but I'm still not moving. And we said, great, because we don't need more ideas.
We asked, what's the one outcome that changes your next 30 days? What's the smallest daily action that moves it? What's the accountability trigger if you don't do it?
In minutes, they went from overwhelmed to clear. Then we did the most powerful part. We had them post their commitment in the group, because once you're in a team sport environment, you play differently.
A week later, they returned and said, I didn't get more motivated, I just executed because I had a system and a room of people that expected me to follow through.
Let's handle the most common questions we know you're thinking about right now. I don't have time. That's a big one. And if that's you, that's exactly why you need this. You don't need more time. You need a system. You need sessions a month plus daily prompts that can change your year.
I've tried communities before, and most communities are either dead or noisy, and HQ is built around something different. Because of that, it's built around action. Daily momentum, live sessions, accountability, and high standards. A team to do success with.
I don't want to keep paying for programs. That's exactly why HQ exists as a home base. Courses, training, coaching, support, updated as the world changes. So you're not constantly buying the next $2,000 thing just to stay current.
I'm not confident about posting. Well, you don't need to be loud, you need to be consistent. Even done. My action today is how we build momentum.
Will this work for me? If you do nothing, nothing changes. If you show up, implement, and let the room support you, your progress becomes inevitable inside HQ.
Here's what you're really joining. A room where you don't do success alone, a place where you find community and future partners. That's really important. A system that helps you execute when the world is moving really, really fast.
Because ideas are cheap now, execution is rare, and the people who win are the people with systems and accountability. Now, let's make this even more of a no-brainer. Want more for less? Take the HQ PowerUp Challenge. Join HQ PowerUp, the premium level here on Skool, for $97 a month. Complete the HQ Challenge and we'll refund your entire year of membership.
This isn't a gimmick, it's a filter. We're rewarding team players. The ones who, 1, show up and implement consistently, and 2, help grow the room by inviting others. Because success is a team sport.
So here's what to do next. Join Success HQ today. Introduce yourself in the group. Tell us what you're building. Tell us the bold result you want next. Start free if that's easiest. Upgrade to PowerUp if you want replays, coaching, and the deeper engine. And if you want proximity and high touch, then Inner Circle is there at $759 a month.
You don't need more ideas, you need a team and an ecosystem.
Welcome to Success HQ. Let's go further, faster, together.